If your MSN or Microsoft News app is stuck downloading, showing a numeric error code, or the Microsoft Store keeps dropping the connection halfway through the update, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fix you can try right away, and it only takes a few seconds. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing we're going to do is reset the Microsoft Store cache. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to fix a stalled download queue, especially when the MSN app update refuses to move forward. What this does is clear temporary store data and gives the Microsoft Store a fresh start without deleting your apps or personal files. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run box on your screen. In the Run window, click inside the text field and type wsreset.exe. Make sure you type a shed exactly as shown, with no extra spaces or symbols. Once you've entered it, press Enter on your keyboard. After that, a blank command window will appear briefly. This is completely normal, so don't close it or click around. Just let it run. In most cases, you'll see it flicker on the screen and then disappear automatically after about 10 seconds. When that happens, Windows will force restart a fresh Microsoft Store instance in the background. Once the store reopens, go back and try the MSN app update again. In many cases, the download will continue properly after the cache reset, and the error or stuck progress issue will be gone. If it still doesn't work immediately, give it a moment, then refresh the store and check the update status one more time. This method is especially useful if the app download was freezing, the progress bar wasn't moving, or the store was failing with an unknown code. Resetting the cache is safe, quick, and often the first thing you should try before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. So just to recap, press Windows key plus R, type wsreset.exe, press Enter, wait for the blank window to close, and then open the Microsoft Store again to retry the MSN app update. That's all you need to do for this fix. If this video helped you solve the problem, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Windows fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.